Good evening, ma'am. So we are the sub-team 2 of team 1. So this is our output.
Good day, ma'am. I am Prince David Basia. The first question is, what is the topic about? The topic of the text is the religious belief and practices of the Tagalog and indigenous ethnic group in the Philippines. It describes their worship, rituals, idolatry, sacrificial offerings, and their beliefs about the afterlife. Additionally, the topic mentions the influence of the preaching of the Holy Gospel in transforming and eradicating this belief among the Tagalog. Overall, the topic revolves around the cultural and religious aspect of the Tagalog Filipino as described in the topic. The second question is, how are women described in the text? Women in the text are described as participating in religious rituals as priestess, woman I called Catolinan, leading prayer and anointing idols with perfumes. The text also mentioned a belief that women who died during childbirth, along with their infants, face punishment and their lamentation will be heard at night.
So the last question is discuss examples of Spanish impact on Tagalog customs. The Spanish colonization of the Philippines left an indelible mark on the Tagalog customs. One of the most significant impacts was the introduction of the Spanish language, which became the official language during the colonial period and influenced the Tagalog vocabulary with numerous loanwords. Additionally, conversion of the Tagalogs to Roman Catholicism under the Spanish rule resulted in a profound transformation of their religious customs and practices. Indigenous beliefs and rituals were replaced by Catholicism, leading to the adaptation of saints, religious festivals, and construction of churches. The Spanish colonial administration also influenced Tagalog governance and administration, introducing a centralized system and local leaders known as the cabezas de barangay. Spanish influence extended to Tagalog clothing with the incorporation of European style and accessories, while Spanish architectural styles influenced by the construction of churches, houses, and public buildings. The Spanish impact on Tagalog customs was far-reaching, shaping language, religion, governance, fashion, and architecture, and leaving a lasting legacy in the cultural fabric of the Tagalog people. So, this is our output, ma'am. And in the last part, I am John Lloyd T. Matalandang, ma'am. And together with Prince Dave A. Basia, so we are the team, sub-team 2 of team 1. So, that's all, ma'am. Thank you.